Okay, so these are These are the baby boys. Oops. Not much action going on there. My battery is going to run out. I guess it didn't charge very well last night. It's okay, Summer. There's Mama. She wants in. This is the... Okay, honey, I'll put your babies back. There's Mama. Mama's not happy I took her babies out. It's okay, Summer. Hi, honey. Yeah, she's such a good girl. Battery's just about to die, so we'll just go ahead and record a minute. Calm down. I'm sorry. Summer's not happy her babies are out. Oh, thank you so much. She's cleaning her babies for us on camera. The one she's cleaning right now is the chocolate boy. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, so I hope that's enough for you to see what they look like.